Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to reset oil life Volkswagen Atlas. Start by parking on level ground, apply the parking brake, and leave the key with you. Turn ignition to on without starting the engine and navigate the instrument cluster menu with the left steering wheel buttons. Find Service or Vehicle section, select Oil Life, then choose Reset and Confirm. Wait for confirmation message and cycle ignition to verify the new oil life. Begin by sitting in the driver's seat and keeping a calm pace with each menu tap. Turn the ignition to on but do not start the engine, then use the left steering wheel arrows to reach the service menu. Highlight oil life and read the remaining percentage, then press and hold OK for several seconds. When the display asks to confirm, select Yes, and the system will reset oil life to 100% automatically and confirm. If the reset doesn't take, don't worry, there are simple fixes you can try yourself. Turn ignition off, wait 10 seconds, then repeat the steps precisely using the left steering wheel controls. If the cluster refuses to respond or shows errors, a dealer or independent shop can perform a reset with a diagnostic tool. After a successful reset, verify the display reads 100% oil life and record the service for your main.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.